Welcome to Moldow A's new pre-treatment and powder coating plant. Some years back we had a vision that we could make a vertical baler within 24 hours from the point of time where we take the first steel plate until we have a finished machine at the end of our assembly line. To fulfill this vision, we made a new investment in this pre-treatment and powder coating plant. At the same time, we have had a much more environmental friendly coating process. We don't have any more organic solvents. We've taken down our chimney. We have reduced water consumption with more than 90%. This is the first part of our new plant. To make sure that the products are in the same position anytime, we may spend a lot of time making drawings and system for hanging up the products to make sure that we have no collisions at any later point in the robot zone. When the products are in place on the conveyor, we enter the code from the drawing, which is a 6 different code, and that is at the same time the program the robot will use for the painting process. We check the color, and after that it's on the way. After the loading zone, the machine will enter pre-treatment process. This process is divided into 3 different steps. The first one is a decreasing process where we make sure that the steel is clean. The second one is a process where we rinse it with demineralized water. And the last one is a chemical surface treatment process where we make sure that the powder will stick to the surface of the metal. Then it enters an oven where we dry it at 100 to 120 degrees. And at the end we cool it down to 40 degrees again before it's ready for the powder coating process. In this part of the process, the robot will paint all our machines. Everything is hanging on one 4-meter boom that can take up to 3 tons. After finishing yellow color, as you can see behind, we'll make a quick color shift. It will take about 1 minute. Then the robots are ready, and the next section will be gray. This way we're able to plan our daily production, shifting every second or third boom between different color, or if there are any special customer requests, we can change into a specific customer color. In the power kitchen, we handle the power. The normal colors, yellow and gray, that we use in very big volumes, we get in 400 kilo big bags. It runs under the floor into the power kitchen and then is distributed into the powder guns on the robots. Next to our robots, we have a small office where we handle all the programming of the robots. Today that is done using virtual reality interface that significantly saves time and makes the programming easier than it was in the old days.
Programming in virtual reality makes my job a lot easier because I can transfer my knowledge I got from real-life painting over to the robot without any problem. Doing the program offline makes the production run a lot smoother because I can do the program without disturbing the production. That makes up a lot of time. Before I would have used 2 days making the targets and the paths. Now I will only use about 2 hours, so I'll save a couple of days doing the VR. As soon as I'm done with the VR programming, I can make a simulation. So everything I did in the VR, the robot is doing now, so I can check for any collision or any kind of problems that might occur in real life.
After the robots are done, the products will enter a transition zone, as you can see behind me. After that, it goes into the curing oven, where we'll bake it at approximately 200 degrees. It's important that we have an even heat distribution in the oven and that we have a very energy efficient process. The products will stay in the oven for approximately 1 hour. After the transition zone, when the products are down at 40 degrees, it will enter our finishing line. We'll take it straight from the conveyor onto the finishing line to save time and any intermediate storage of the products. We are sure we can move into the future with this new powder coating plant.